Good morning, students. Today we will start with the chapter linear equation in two variable exercise 4.4. So the first question is exercise 4.4. So the first question is give the geometric representation of y equals to 3 as an equation in one variable in two variables. So what is the question? Please first of all understood the question. We have to represent the geometric representation of y equals to 3 as an equation in one variable in two variable. In one variable means either x or either y. So the value of first part, the value of y is 3 is given. So means this is a number line 1, 2, 3. So y equals to 3. This is a geometric representation of y equals to 3 in one variable, that is y equals to 3. Now we have to represent the geometric representation in two variables. Two variables means the value of y is given, that is 3. In question the value of y is given. So we suppose the value of x is 0. Again we suppose the value of x is 1 but the value of y is same, that is 3. Again we suppose the value of x is 2, the value of y is 3. So इसमें हमें क्या करना है, ज्योमेट्रिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स में एक वैल्यू तो मुझे गिवन है, y की वैल्यू मुझे गिवन है, तो y की वैल्यू मैंने फिक्स कर दी और y की वैल्यू हमेशा दूसरा पॉइंट होती है जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं, ऑर्डिनेट भी कहते हैं. y की वैल्यू 3 मुझे गिवन है तो मैंने 3 फिक्स कर दिया, लेकिन x की वैल्यू मुझे गिवन नहीं थी. सो x की वैल्यू मैंने सपोज कर ली, सबसे पहले 0 कर ली, फिर 1 कर लिया, फिर 2 कर लिया, लेकिन सेकंड पॉइंट जो y का था वो मैंने फिक्स कर दिया. अब इसको हमने ग्राफ में रिप्रेजेंट करना है. आपको पता है ये कौन सी एक्सिस है, इसको हम ग्राफ में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. ये x एक्सिस है, ये y एक्सिस है, ये पॉइंट क्या होता है, ओरिजिन. सो वी सपोज 1 2 3 1 2 3. सबसे पहले 0 3, x का 0 है, y का 3 है, x का 0 और y का 3, y का 3 तो ये रहा. फिर x का 1 y का 3, x का 1 y का 3 ये रहा. फिर x का 2 y का 3 ये रहा. So this way we can represent y equals to 3 as an equation in one variable, that is on the number line. Simple. Again in two variables, the value of y is equals to 3 is given, so the value of y of 3 is fixed. We suppose the values of x, first of all 0, then 1, then 2. Now we shift to the second question. What is the second question? Second question is, again the question is same. The question is, give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 equals to 0. (2x plus 9 equals to 0). Again, first of all, in one variable, that is 2x plus 9 equals to 0. 2x equals to, shift this 9 to this side, x equals to minus 9 by 2, x equals to minus 4.5. So we just find the value of x, that is minus 4.5. Draw a number line, this is 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Now we have to find the value of x equals to minus 4.5. So this is a point x equals to minus 4.5. So this is a representation, geometric representation in one variable. Now we shift to the second part in two variables. Two variables means the value of x is given, that is minus 4.5. Now assume the values of y, that is 0. Again the value of x is fixed. Assume the value of y is 1. Again the value of x is fixed. Assume the value of y, that is 2. Again draw a graph. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So first point minus 4.5 comma 0. So ये रहा. फिर minus 4.5 comma 1. ये रहा minus 4.5x का y की वैल्यू कितनी है 1. So ये रहा पॉइंट. फिर minus 4.5 comma 2 ये रहा. So in this way we just represent any equation, any linear equation in one variable and in two variables. So this is exercise 4.4. Now we shift to some extra questions. So extra questions, very very important questions. So the first question is, extra questions. So if p comma minus 4 lies on the graph 2x plus y equals to 8, find p. Now this is a question. There are so many questions of this type, so please listen carefully. If p comma minus 4 lies on the graph, now the equation is 2x plus y equals to 8. This is the equation. Now this point lies on this line. Now the first point is always of x and the second point is always of y. So 2, the value of x is p. The value of y is minus 4 equals to 8. Plus minus minus 2p. Shift this minus 4 to right side. So 2p equals to 12. Cancel out. The value of p is 6. So this is a first extra questions. If point p comma minus 4 lies on the graph, remember one thing. The first point is always of x coordinate. The second point is always of y coordinate. Now shift to the second question. The second question is, if x equals to 2 comma minus 2, 2 comma minus 2, y equals to k plus 1, is the solution of 2x minus y equals to 4, find k. Again the equation is 2x minus y equals to 4. The value of x is given, that is 2k minus 2. 2k minus 2, the value of y is given, minus k plus 1 equals to 4. Now solve the brackets. 4k minus 4 minus k minus 1 equals to 4. Now 4k minus k, 3k minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 equals to 4. Shift this minus 5 to right side. So this becomes 9. Cancel out. So the value of k is 3. So this is the question number second. Now shift to the next question. The next question is the next question is 2x minus 3 upon 5 plus x plus 3 upon 4 equals to 2x plus 3 upon 4. Now this is a question. This is a question. First of all, we have to find the value of x. Now first of all we will take LCM. The LCM of 5 plus 5 and 4 is 20. The LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. Now 20 divided by 5, that is 4. Now 4 multiplied by 2x minus 3. सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, जब 5 को 20 से डिवाइड करेंगे, सॉरी 20 को जब 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे, आंसर आ जाएगा 4. जो आंसर आएगा ऊपर वाली चीज से हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. प्लस नाउ 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 इज 5. नाउ 5 को ऊपर वाली चीज से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, इक्वल्स टू 2x plus 3 upon 4. Now solve the brackets. 4 multiplied by 2x, 8x. 4 multiplied by 3, 12. 5 multiplied by x, 5x. 5 3 is 15 upon 20 equals to 2x plus 3 upon 4. Now 8x plus 5x, 13x, minus 12 plus 15, 3 upon 20 equals to 2x plus 3 upon 4. ये कट गया 5 पे. अब 13x plus 3 equals to 5 2x plus 3. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. जब क्रॉस ये 4 कट गया 5 पे, 4 5 में 20 होते हैं, 5 आ गया. 5 को मैंने उधर शिफ्ट कर दिया, वो राइट साइड पे चला गया. अब ब्रैकेट्स ओपन करेंगे, ये बन गया 10x plus 15. x को इधर शिफ्ट कर लेंगे और 3 को उधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे. ये बन जाएगा 3x equals to 15 minus 3, 12. x equals to 12 upon 3, cancel out, x equals to 4. So these are the extra questions. Now you will have to complete the given assignment.